To make a shortcut to call someone on your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so you can call that contact directly from your home screen, you have to add a direct dial widget to your home screen and then assign the desired contact to the widget. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen, and then tap widget. Scroll down the widget screen to find contact. Tap contact. Now tap and hold the direct dial widget and then drag it to the desired position on your home screen. Release the widget to place it. And then select the desired contact you like to assign to the widget. With this widget, you can directly call the selected contact from your home screen simply by single tapping the widget. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.